Hey guys, welcome back. It's Raf in the RAFCAVE, and this video here is to show you how to update your software for the Sony A8F OLED TV. So basically what you want to do is you want to press the home button, and you want to go down to help, and then you want to check your firmware update. In the top right corner, mine says 0175 software version, which is not the newest current version out there, which we want to grab because we want to get that peak brightness in HDR and faster Android OMS feedback. So what we want to do next is we want to go to the website and pull that software. So what we want to do, and I will change the camera real quick so we can get a better idea. Be right back. Okay guys, so what you want to do is go to this website, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So what you want to do is you go to the Sony website, go to the support link, and then you do a search for the your TV OLED, A8F. And you go down here to drivers and software, you click on that, and it'll bring it to your TV. Scroll down, and it'll say update, system software update. Look at that number, 0177. And this one's going to improve the general performance and improve the video performance and you know, kind of stuff here. It's a 1.68 gig file released on September 11th. So we want to go to download, and over here you want to download now and put it on your desktop. And it says agree. Yes, I do agree. And we want to put this on the desktop here. And you want to save it. So once you save this, you'll have a folder or a zip file on your desktop, and you want to open that and take that update file, and we want to put it on a thumb drive or a USB stick, you know. And what I'm using is a simple SanDisk. It's like a 2 gig, or I don't know, what is this? 2 gig USB stick. Pretty basic, but I'm going to put this on my computer. And I'm going to take that file out and load it on. All right, so here's the folder here. And we want to extract it to the desktop again. And extract. So now we're extracting this zip file here. Looks like that's the software right there, the 0177 package. That's the file we want to put on that thumbstick to put into the TV. Okay, almost done. All right. So there's our file. That Sony file, that's 1.68 gigs, that's a PKG file. All we want to do is put that on to our thumb drive. Copy it over to the USB thumb drive. And we'll let this go. It'll take about 3 minutes. So I'll pause it here. Okay guys, so the file was transferred over to the USB stick. As you can see right here, let me close this out. USB thumb drive, all I have is that single Sony file that's a 1.68 gigs. That's it. Nothing else, no extra folders, just put the exact file on the thumbstick. All right, so we're closing that, and we're gonna safely eject. Okay, safely ejected. All right. So I'm going to pause it here, and I'm going to grab the USB stick, and we're going to put it inside of the TV. Be right back. Okay guys, so now we're in front of the TV. Yep. And there's a thumbstick that I took out of the computer. I'm going to put it on the side of the TV over here where the USB inputs are. USB inputs are. All right, so I'm going to put it into, let's go to USB 1. All right. So USB 1 is in. What do we see? System software update. Here we go. Automatically copying files. Please wait. Oh yeah. All right guys, I'm going to pause it again. Be right back. All right guys, we're at 99%. 100. Click, automatically reboots. So guys, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you definitely don't have to by all means, because eventually, I'm not saying right away, eventually you'll get the update through your TV's Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. But I've done this many times before, and I have the ability to just, hey, go to the website, download the file, thumbstick, USB right on the side, boom. So if you follow my steps exactly, you guys will be just fine by doing this yourself, so you don't have to wait, and you can enjoy a more improved picture on your already incredible OLED A8F from Sony. I'm pretty sure there's an update for the A1E as well. You might have to look for that on your own, guys. So let's let this update to update this amazing, beautiful TV that I use quite often. And I will definitely be using it more because I want to finish Spider-Man on PS4 Pro. That game is incredible. So I'm going to pause it again, guys, and we will return once this update gets to the end. Alright guys, it took about 10 minutes or so. Finished updating, not rebooted again. Let's see what we see. Okay, Android. Okay, powering off, shutting down, another reboot. All right, system software update complete. Remove the USB device and press OK. So right now we want to pull out this USB stick. Okay. Pull the stick out. And we're pressing OK. Check the system software number. There it is. 0177. Right there. Boom. 0177. So we are now using the current newest software for this TV. Let's go back and we'll go check out some Spider-Man. So we're in game mode HDR, advanced settings. Those seem to be pretty much the same. I'm going to bring my smooth gradation to medium. I don't want to lose any detail, but I still want to keep that smooth motion or smooth image. Alright, everything seems to be okay there. Home button. Oh, look at that. I don't think I've ever appeared right on my recommendations home screen of my TV. That's awesome. Hello. Cool. All right, guys. So looks like we are updated. I'll be playing a lot of Spider-Man because it looks amazing, and I don't know, it's just really great. So yeah. All right, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out, and will help you get your TV updated to the current software. This is Raf in the RAFCAVE. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment below if you're going to do this or have good success with it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Skull.